This video explains about programming in Python with examples. It helps you to learn arithmetic operators in Python. This is Chennai Brothers. For numbers, plus, minus, multiplication sign, division sign, and remainder sign are as expected. Special use of the plus sign for string concatenation. Special use of the percentage sign for string formatting. Arithmetic operators are as expected. The plus sign is for addition and the minus sign is used for subtraction. For example, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. One of the multiplication sign is used for multiplication and two of the multiplication sign is used for a power of number. For example, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, but 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. There are two types of division. One is float division and other is integer division. Float division is normal division where decimal value of quotient is displayed. It is represented by one backslash symbol. For example, 5 divided by 3 is 1.666 and 7 at the end. Integer division is represented by two backslash symbols. It returns an integer value of quotient, but it does not round the decimal value of quotient. For example, 5 integer division 3 is equal to 1. The remainder sign is the percentage symbol. It returns the remainder. For example, 5 percentage sign 3 is 2. For the addition sign and percentage sign arithmetic operators, there are special uses with strings. String formatting uses the arithmetic operator percentage symbol. A is a variable and it is equal to input what is your name. Then in this print statement, you could see that the name we entered is printed along with hello without space. So let's run this. It's asking what is my name, Chennai Brothers, and hello Chennai Brothers. This is printed without space. Now in the next print statement, you could see there is a space between hello and percentage S symbol. So the output is printed as hello space and name we entered. Here it is. String concatenation uses the arithmetic operator's addition symbol. I wrote A is high and B is Chennai Brothers. Now I said print them together. Now in the result, they are literally printed together. Here. To add a space, I put quotes in between A and B. Now the result is hi space Chennai Brothers. Please let me know what topics in Python I should cover in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe to our videos. Have a good day. See you soon with a brand new Python video.